What's up, everybody? It's my last day in Memphis, I believe, because I'm thinking about taking off this morning. Follow me to Nashville. Yeah, I'm leaving today because I can't get my transmission done or looked at until like 3 days from now. And I don't want to sit here in Nashville because it's so hot, and I don't know where else to go in Memphis. Like, I don't know what to do in Memphis right now. It's so spread apart. I was gonna go to Beale Street to like see some performers and stuff like that, but the funny thing is, it's Friday right now. It's the weekend, so if I went up there, I'd have to stay another night. Plus, I've had beers the last 2 nights. I just want to get out. I need to see a different city. So we're going to end up going to Nashville. Here's another thing, too. As I was running my Fantastic Fan last night, I've heard about this happening, but I haven't seen it done. But apparently, bugs were coming in through my window and getting stuck on the fan, and I thought they were dead. But this morning when I went to go shut off my fan, they all started swarming around. It was the grossest thing ever. So I gotta look into some screens or something in the future. But let's get on the road. Holy shit, I'm in Arkansas. Wah, 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 wah. I didn't know that when I plugged in Walmart, it would lead me to Arkansas. Probably gonna have to head back to Nashville through Tennessee, but man, did I fail geography? Yeah, I'm kind of tempted. Microwave for only 50 bucks. I either need to heat up by microwave, camp stove, which if I find it, the classic is only around $33 or something. So is the Ozark Trails. Or I could go for the Road Pro oven, and that's another $35. So, decisions to be made. It's not like I'm not going to be able to see another Walmart in the future. Well, apparently, I asked one of the ladies, is kitty litter in grocery or in baby? She didn't think it was funny. This is the second time I saw Smokey and the Bandit advertised in here. Maybe it's time for me to watch at least the first movie. The second movie's kind of like a bomb, and the third movie is non-existent as a movie. Anyway, back to shopping. Everybody, I just came in from Memphis all the way to Nashville. And look at the first place I stopped. Well, I gotta take a bathroom break and I'll get some lunch. So I just finished most of my meal. I still got some fries left, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat them all. Right now, I'm still in the parking lot of White Castle, and you can see the city. Oh, you can see the city over there. It's pretty big, you know, like it's bigger than Memphis. I think I'm gonna leave Nashville to park somewhere else. I might sleep at a rest stop or something like that. I mean, I wish I could hang out here, but the city's so big. I'm not sure if I could get my transmission fixed here. And I think my power steering is making noise too, but I don't know. I just gotta find a good auto shop. Maybe keep driving for now. See what happens. But anyway, it's good to be stopped for a little while. Good that I got lunch. I might have to stop at like a truck stop for more drinks and stuff like that. Now it's funny, let me turn around the camera. Across the street there, through the traffic, you might be able to see that there are some cement trucks. And they're actually backwards than the regular cement trucks. It's so funny, when I only see the top of it, it looks like they're going backwards. And my phone keeps on saying device is too hot, so video quality might be bad right now. I hope it's not. Hopefully I can fix it on the computer. But right now it's about 1:15. Probably do another 3 hours maybe north and see where we go. A funny side note, while I'm in traffic here, trying to get out of Nashville, last time I was here was years and years ago when I was a computer hacker. I came here for Freaknik. 2 of them. I think one was, maybe 3 of them. Freaknik 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0. But those were the last ones I was in. Right now I'm just sitting in the back of my van. Fantastic fan is on. Sun's blazing right through it. I just needed to pull over in a rest area here to take a little rest. Kind of tired, but I might drive in another hour. Now here's another thing that I just found out. I called a transmission shop in this town called Crossville, which is where I'm near right now, and they're closed on the weekends. He said Monday or Tuesday, and I was like, because I don't want to stay here in the rest area so much, you know, so I don't know, because I want to go up to New Jersey really quick. Well, from right over there, it says Love's 1 hour customer parking. I did not see the overnight parking here yet, but seeing this place, I'm not sure if I want to stay here. I might want to just stay in a public park or something, like one of these national forests or something. Just got to get a couple supplies like drinks and stuff. But right now I got to fill up on gas. I mean, on the other hand, I could just drive to Knoxville and try to stay on the streets there, and then maybe check out if there's a transmission shop open. I know there's a like an Amco there that does transmission, but I heard that they charge between $2,000 and $3,000 for the transmission. Regular shops only charge like $500 to $1,000 sometimes, you know, so I don't know for sure, but I'll keep on looking and stuff like that, you know, keep you updated. Ah, yes. Rolling up to another Bass Pro Shops. Well, I passed through Knoxville and felt like kept on driving, like, because there was nothing I really saw in Knoxville, and really got to call up somebody if I'm going to get my tranny checked. So, I'm going to stop here for the day. And I'm close to Dollywood and all that other stuff down here. I don't know if I'll see it tomorrow. We'll see. Let's see how our day goes today. The weather's not too bad here, actually, for being at the northeast of Tennessee. This is weird. The Uncle Buck's here is closed now, and it's up for auction. It says check the website for details. So I asked about overnight parking, and they said, yep, can. This is my second Bass Pro Shop today. It was decent. I got to talk to the people in the hunting area, showed them some magic, and then talked about Gatlinburg and all that other stuff. So it's pretty awesome. Walking around, I've seen a lot of things that are interesting, but like, look at that. Do you believe that? $3,029 for binoculars. We need more of these in our world. Ice cream vending machines. I haven't seen one in forever. And so many flavors. Oh, come on. Well, it's just after 7 right now, and heading back to the van because I want to go get something to eat. I could have gotten that Road Pro oven and then heated up any of my dry stores right now, but I'm telling you, I don't know. I want just some quick bite to eat and maybe a bag of ice to chill down my beer so that I can actually relax a little more. But my van is way out here, and I actually see in the parking lot there's another van dweller because I could see his fan up and his windows down a little bit. He's in like a ProMaster or something. A white van right there. So he's probably either in there or he's just cooling it down while he's somewhere else. Well, I could tell the temperature is humid, but I might want to cool down my van also when I park it. I don't think I'll go back into outdoor world though, like Bass Pro Shops, because it was kind of boring in there. No restaurant, same stuff that's over at the Pyramid. But you want to see where my van is? Van is way out there. Far away, because I didn't want them to bitch, that I was taking up parking, even though there's not a lot of problem here. And I don't know if you can hear in the background, but there's these tree frogs. And it sounds like someone's snoring in the background. Weird, right? Hope that helps me sleep. And I don't know if you can hear in the background, but there's these tree frogs. And it sounds like someone's snoring in the background. Weird, right? Hope that helps me sleep. Well, I was just talking to him. Not a really good conversation. Yeah, apparently I saw his box truck there, and I noticed a fantastic fan and then a window on the side, and I was like, hey, that's my van over here, showing him my van. And he's like, he went into the store, and I said, hey, where are you gonna park tonight? And he's like, sorry, no time, can't talk. And then he just took off just now. I'm like, it's a first van dweller that I met that was kind of rude. I don't know. I thought this was a shared community that we all like to talk to each other and stuff. But whatever. So I'm on the edge of Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, and right behind me is fireworks. Actually, can you see the fireworks? Yeah, right there, fireworks. It'd be bad for me to have fireworks in my van, especially since I smoke. This thing could be, well, a Roman candle itself. I couldn't resist picking these up. I know for my birthday, might go to Dolly World, but there's also free coupons with something that reminds me of Chuck E. Cheese on it, but mountains of savings inside. Well, I got me some cigarettes, and I got some ice for last night's beer that I did not drink. What's next? I'm going to find that McDonald's, grab something to eat. By that time, the sun should have been set so that the fan could start cooling down, and maybe just keep the doors open and smoke a couple cigarettes and drink a beer and see if I meet anyone else in that parking lot tonight. Hey guys, so beers aren't cold yet, which is a real bummer because I wanted to start right now. Oh, there is a bug. There's a bug coming around my fucking van. Like right there. Get away, bug. Get away, bug. Get away. Fuck off. There you be. You're in my van now. God damn it. It might be a little grainy to see, but that's a blood moon tonight. And it might be a bad luck moon because they are saying online that there's a city ordinance that I can't crash here. I read it online, but I'm gonna check for sure. I feel very iffy about this. Can't find any employees. There's no van dwellers in the parking lot here. So I'm gonna walk out to my van. I think I'm gonna drive out. I didn't even have a full 16 ounce of beer, so I should be fine. But I think I should find a rest stop instead and brave it out there. Because I don't think I'm gonna find a parking lot around here. Because Pigeon Forge is a big tourist town. Probably don't want people skimping on the hotel rooms. So I'm gonna take off and find another place, either a truck stop or a rest stop. So I talked to the street sweeper, and he said, no, there is not any signs here that say. He said there used to be signs, but now I don't know. I don't know if I should chance it or not. There are cars still here in this parking lot, but again, I don't know if it's just people sleeping in their cars, or I don't see any vans out here. In the van right now, yeah, I think I'm gonna chance it because I'm reading on other sites, dated 2021, people didn't have a problem staying here. So maybe they did away with the signs, and that's what did away with this city ordinance and stuff like that, Again, if a cop asks me,
I'm done drinking tonight, so I'll just take off from there. I'll probably have enough sleep. Guys, thank you for watching my video. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my videos and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And you can hit the bell to be notified by new content or just selected content. Also, you can always comment on my videos. I do respond to most and a lot of comments that are on my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for you new subscribers who joined me. Thank you so much.